here with you, and I'm here for an unboxing, and it's from Inloveart, and I've got paint and all kinds of stuff on my fingers. Sorry about that. I don't know where the blue comes from though, because I don't remember playing with blue paint. I just come back from the studio and been painting again, and there's paint and more paint and more and more and more paint, but we're making progress, so that's the good thing, and hopefully soon I will be able to do other stuff than painting. So Inloveart, I love their dyes. When they asked me if I wanted to do another collaboration, I was like, oh yeah, for sure. And one of the items that I chose this time around is one of those here, those little books. And I already have one of them, and I love it to death. I love it so much. Whoops! I love it so much. And I have, you can see here that it's pretty much filled up. Like, I have a lot of the little pockets filled up. And so this time I chose one that have bigger size pockets than the smaller ones, just so that I would probably be easier to store some of the bigger ones. But I love these so much because look, here is the dies for the little gnomes, and you can put them in the pocket and you're not losing any parts. Same thing with this little snowman here, and you know, they're just perfect. And when they're bigger like that, then you can put the bigger dies, you know, like these ones. Actually, they should have fit that way. And this is a perfect way of storing all your dies and making sure that you don't lose all the small parts. So mine was pretty much filled up, so I got another one. And like I said, I love these things so much because they keep my dies organized and I don't lose any little parts, because there's nothing worse than having these beautiful dies and then you go to use them and you're missing an important part of your die. And it happens, it's easy because they're small, so if you don't store them in proper fashion, then obviously you're gonna be missing some little parts. So all in the description box below you will find the link to all of these wonderful items, including this. And they have these type of pockets, which are the bigger size one, but they also have like these, which you can choose. And I think they have the ones that are a full page, so that would probably be convenient for like this one, which is bigger. But yeah, it's just, to me, this, if you like dies, you need to have some sort of storage system, and I really love that they supply the storage system with it, and it's a very beautiful little book, little binder. So very excited to have it. So go and check it out in the description box below. There's links to all the items, as well as a discount code for you guys if you're interested. So I know that we did Halloween already, but Halloween still hasn't gone by, and they have this sweet little gnome set, which I'm dying to use. And here it is. So it has a little cauldron and all kinds of wonderful goodies. So just love it. Actually, no, I misspoke. This is the Halloween one. This is a Christmas one. I think that's the Christmas one, because it has a little sign here, and you can because his little hand is holding up a little sign, and this is the beard, I believe, and then yeah, I believe that's the one that was the kind of hard when you're not cutting out the pieces, but I believe that one is the Christmas one. Or is it? Yeah. I'm confused. But in the description box below, there will be the link to the actual product with the name and everything. This one is definitely for Halloween because it has a little pumpkin. So this is the one we're going to be using with the little cauldron. Check out the cute little pumpkin! Isn't it cute? Oh, I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. So there's the hat and the beard and I believe this is the little his little body, and yeah, this is gonna be fun. So we're gonna be creating something with this, and it should be in the video of tomorrow. And then I have this here, which I thought are super adorable. And they're little cats and little dog. Aren't they cute? I just thought they were so cute. And then there's this here, which is Happy New Year and Merry Christmas, which is always useful to have words for card making. I really love that. So you've got the Merry Christmas and the Happy New Year right there. So those we will be using as well in some upcoming videos for sure. But yeah, so I will put these, I think, as is right now in there because I don't feel like cutting it out. Put that one right there. Once I've cut out all the pieces, obviously it's gonna fit. And then I can put this little one and this here. Just for now, just so that I don't lose any parts. So that's it, guys. I hope that you like what I got and are excited to see what I make with them. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.